Hi children, good morning to all. Today our second class for IT. In the last class I told you to draw a picture of a computer. I think all of you done it. Yes or no? Yes. Then can you give an explanation for a computer? Or what is the use of a computer? Can you say anything about it? All of you know computer is an electronic device. That means to work a computer it need power. Isn't it? And what are the important parts of a computer? The important parts of a computer are CPU, monitor, keyboard and mouse. These are the important parts of a computer. Then you will have a doubt. My system has a speaker. Then is it important? It's an important one. If we have to listen music or any sound, it need a speaker. But it is not an important one. Means to work a computer, these four important parts are needed. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. So altogether these parts we can call a computer. It is not a single device. It's a combination of the different parts, different important parts. Monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. What is the use of monitor? Yes, monitor is used to see the things or what are the instructions we are giving to the computer. The result of that will appear on the monitor. Isn't it? And when we are drawing a picture through our computer, it will also be seen in that monitor. The next is CPU. What is the full form of CPU? CPU means a central processing unit. That means the processing unit. What do you mean by processing? When we are giving a command to the computer, it will process within the CPU and showing the result of that in the monitor. Here the CPU is known as the brain of the computer. Means like our brain, all the works are doing in that processing unit and the output will give through the monitor. Okay, like our kitchen. And then all the food processing are doing in our kitchen, no? Yes or no? Yes. Like that, all the processing works in computer are doing in its CPU. Okay. Then the next important part is keyboard. What is the use of keyboard? keyboard is used to type data. Typing data means, what's the meaning of it? Yes, we can type our name, our friend's name, or our teacher's name, and all the numbers from 0 to 9, etc. And some other keys are there: function keys, delete key, enter key, etc. These all keys are arranged in a board. So, it is known as keyboard. Okay. The keys from A to Z, 0 to 1, 0 to 9, then function keys, other supporting keys, space bar, a long key is there, space bar, then enter key, shift key, caps lock, etc. Like that, many other keys are there. I think around 109 keys. In the latest keyboard, the number will change. Okay, that much keys are in a keyboard. And the next is mouse. What's the use of mouse? Like this keyboard, we can use the mouse also for giving instructions to the computer. Keyboard is used to typing, and also we can give commands to the computer. Like that, mouse also used to giving commands to the computer. Then how this device get the name mouse? It is looks like a mouse. A long tail is there, and its shape also like a mouse. Isn't it? These are the 4 main parts of a computer: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and a mouse. Then a definition, or what is a computer? A computer is an electronic device for storing and processing data. Okay, I will give the notes for you. Then let us see in the next class.